this trade now. I'm in this trade now. Hopefully we can either win or we can lose quickly. I'm okay with whatever happens. Either we win quickly or we lose quickly. Come on, treat us nicely, baby. What's the dealio, family? And we are back with another video. Let's go. Yesterday's video was a banger for you. If you did not watch yesterday's vlog, go watch that. It was an absolute banger video where I called out 2 trade ideas. They both went absolutely insane. And today we're back with another one. It is currently 9:03, Tuesday, October 28th. And I'm just now about to get ready to go live with the trading community and see what we can do. And I'm excited for that. But before I even go live with that, I also just called out a trade idea for them right here, right at the 9 o'clock candle, because I see a good setup for them. Now we're going to see if this actually triggers. I did place a sell stop, so we have to wait to see if price is going to get to the level that we want. But I think it looks really good. I think it's solid. It's following the plan that we've been following. Just looking for more continuations lower, looking for price to go lower. So we will see if we're able to get triggered here or not. Not even gonna lie, gold is pushing up a little strong right now, so we might not even get triggered this set. Let me show y'all. So this is what I'm looking at right here. Just looking for a continuation lower here on gold. Obviously we're seeing a lot of momentum here. This first 5-minute candle is actually pretty crazy, so we might not even get filled, we might not even get triggered. But my entries right here, as you guys can see, all my perimeters using my magic indicator, and I just wanted to see us continue going lower, preferably something like this, right? You know, we just broke structure back to the downside. I wanted to see us create a lower high to then go ahead and start to swing lower, take out current day's low, and just possibly continue even going lower. You know, we've been seeing a lot of selling pressure here on gold, especially based off the fact that US and China might make a trade deal. If the US and China do make a trade deal, then that could definitely bring a lot of weakness here towards gold, and I want to take advantage of that. I want to be a part of that. But man, this thing did pop up pretty aggressively. The only thing that we have here though is we are testing another resistance level that could possibly hold. We could still probably reject that to possibly go lower, but man, we're seeing a lot of strength. I was not expecting this much strength early on in the session, but that's why we played the sell stop and we didn't just take a market execution. All right, we'll take the trade if we're able to see a rejecting from this 39.28 resistance, a strong close back below 39.16s. If we're able to get those 2 things, then we get triggered and then we can go ahead and see if we can ride it out. But if we don't get it, then so be it. We just delete the pending order and we continue to watch. We're still 25 minutes out from the open, so we'll also be able to watch the NASDAQ and equities as a whole to see what's going on over there. Equities is currently booming. NASDAQ is pushing higher. The S&P doing the same thing. S&P is doing the same thing. US 30 also doing the same thing. So equities are booming right now to the upside. And we'll see if there's any opportunity on these. But so far, the only trade idea that was called out, as you guys can see, is the gold sell stop. Now we just got to be patient and see if we'll be able to get triggered or not on that. So that's where we're at right now, family. Currently, early morning, early trade session. But I am about to go live here with the community in about 8 minutes or so. We'll be able to talk about this live in real time and see if there is any opportunity for us to get involved. But besides that, hopefully you guys have a phenomenal day yourself, especially if you guys are out there trading. Make sure you practice risk management the correct way. Make sure you are respecting your strategy, and hopefully you guys just come out profitable on top. And if you don't come out profitable, hopefully you just follow your plan and manage risk, like I said, accordingly. But let's get into it. All right, so we finally got a trade idea here. Took a little while on gold, but I like the buy stop above previous 5-minute high. That is an entry at 39.51. Stop loss is going to be at 39.40. TP1 going to be at 39.60. TP2 at 39.70. The idea is that now, since we closed pretty strong above the VWAP and above this previous resistance level, if we do take out the high, then we should see this thing, in theory, just continue to drive higher. That's what we would like to see. The only downfall for this that I see is if the market is going to reject the VWAP and now just continue to go back into that bearish trend, right? Because we technically are still very much within this very bearish move here. And price could still very well continue to go lower. But I like the close on the 5-minute. I like the close on the 15. I like the close on the 13. Now we got to see if we're able to flip up and start to drive higher. But I like the trade. I'm comfortable with this trade. We're being patient. I said we want to buy above here. We got to close above there. We got to close above the VWAP. And now we got to see if we can flip up to trigger this trade. So this is going to be my one trade for the day, family. We're going to see how it goes, man. I think it looks really solid. Now let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm looking at right here. Strong move. We've been bullish all session, essentially. I want to see if we're able to now, since we had a strong close above the VWAP and a strong close above this resistance level where I had my buy above here. If we're able to flip back bullish, I think this could really start to give us a nice move higher. So this is the trade idea that I'm looking at right now. I do have it set on my personal Forex broker, and we're going to see how it plays out, man. But I like it, and we'll see how it goes. Let's get it. Like, you guys should definitely come in here and take advantage of any trade ideas that might be caught, because whether it's a win or loss, you guys are gonna be able to learn from. Like, that should be you guys' priority on these live calls. It's not just to take the trades and make money or lose money with me. It's to gain the knowledge, right? It's to gain the experience, right? You guys are leveraging off of my experience in the markets to help benefit you guys, so you guys can gain experience. That's the most important thing here. So yes, come on and take the ideas if we get some, but take the game away from me. Take the knowledge away from me. Take the information that I'm giving out to you guys. Take that away from me. That's what I'd rather you guys take, instead of just the ideas, the trade ideas. Hopefully that makes sense, family, right? Because that's the most important thing. But either way, like I said, this buy stop is set. It looks like price is trying to push a little lower here. We'll see how it goes. Again, I'm going to keep it set here. Only way I'll delete this buy stop is if we again see something like this and we get below here. And at that point, we might be able to reverse it and look for the sell stop and start to ride out the sells. But for now, I'm going to hold this buy stop until or unless we get below here, because still price can bounce off and give us that trade and still give us a move like this. So I'm going to be holding this baby, and we're going to see what happens here. Because again, I still do like how the market closed here in the 30-minute, the 15-minute, and the 5-minute back above there. We are about, what, 17 minutes out from the hour close. If we get a strong hourly close above the VWAP and above that resistance, yeah, this thing is definitely going to be out of there. So I'm still holding, and I'm gonna let it play out, because price is trying to push back up here. We might get triggered here very soon. And like I said, I want to lose quick if we're going to be wrong. If we're going to be wrong, just let us know quickly. I'm fine with that. I see, I am in this trade now, family. I did get triggered in this trade. All right, yeah. So I'm in this trade now. Hopefully we can either win or we can lose quickly. I'm okay with whatever happens. Either we win quickly or we lose quickly. Come on. Treat us nicely, baby. Treat us nicely. Come on. Let's see what price does here. Again, I do like the rebuy above the VWAP. I like the close back above that resistance as well. Now we got to see if we can get some follow through here. Come on, bring in volume, big push for us. Either way, big push higher or lower, I really don't care. Just don't have us sitting in this for a minute. Let's go, baby. Anybody else take this with me? But we in this. We gonna win or lose together, family. We gonna win or lose together, man. Let's do this. Come on. We gonna win or lose together, and we gonna be okay with the outcome. Let's go. TP1 has officially been hit. Let's get it. Raw stops to break even. I mean, it's kind of short. It's maybe a pip or two shy of TP1. I'm not even gonna lie, right? But I'm not gonna let this pull back on us. So I'm gonna go at least break even on this. If you want to take full partials, take your full profits here, by all means. Don't let this turn into a loser. We up 90 pips. We floating on this bad boy. Don't let it turn into a loser, family. Let's get it. Beautiful trade. At the very least, if you want to continue to hold, definitely make sure to remove the risk off the table. Look at my trade right now. Let's go. Flowing around 1700. Beautiful day in the markets, man. Always, who ever gonna complain when you up $1,000, $1,500, $1,700 on a trade, bro? Come on now. That's what I'm talking about, man. I swear, trading is the best profession in the world, as long as you could trust yourself to be here long term. Beautiful trade. Family, if you guys enjoyed that trade, man, go ahead and drop a 1 in the chat for me real quick, man. Let me know. Talk to me in the chat, man. Talk to me in the chat, family. Because it required a little bit of patience, man, but we finally got it. Now we up 90 plus pips. Come on now, man. Now at the very least, TP1 diet. Remember, you never go broke taking money out that TP1. I'm also gonna close some partials here on TP1 as well, but at the very least, I'm break even. I'm risk free on this now. I can't lose on this trade. I cannot lose on this trade. I'm happy about that, right? It removes all the freaking risk off the table. Let's go. But most importantly, before we go ahead and wrap up, because like I said, I do got to make her some food real quick. Most importantly, family, hopefully you guys learned something from today, right? Like, hopefully you guys gained some nuggets from today, right? It took a little bit of patience. Like, we didn't get a trade till literally 10:30, 10:40 around that time. So it took an hour and 20 minutes for us to actually find a trade setup that now is running for us and is moving the way it needs to move for us. But remember why I took this buy. I waited all the way until we got above the VWAP and we got above this resistance, and then we waited for it to turn into support. You know how much patience you gotta have to do this, to wait for that? And most people might have been even taking little stabs here, which is cool, ain't nothing wrong, like, you'll be in profit, but I specifically need to see something that makes sense for me. I only look for buys above the VWAP. Looking for a buy down here wouldn't be following my rule. I look for sells below the VWAP, not buys. So I had to wait for price to get above the VWAP, break above it, and now we are floating 100 mother junkin' pips. Let's go, family. Just like that, family, another banger day in the markets. As y'all seen in the video, called out live in real time with the community, man. Why are you not in the chat? Why are you not in this community, family? that is my question to you. Sorry for getting worked up right now, but we are absolutely on fire right now. Yesterday was a banger day. Today was a banger day trading gold. We're currently floating 100 plus pips. CP1 was smashed. The only thing that's missing is you. Click the Telegram in the description of this video. Go to the pinned post in that Telegram so that you can figure out how to get added into this community, or message me on Telegram and I will help you get added into the community so you can be a part of this cause too, family. It's very simple. We're here to change the game. Free game is the name of it all. We're changing it all. Everything free. Trade signals free. Live sessions free. Education free. Community free. Everything's free. So take advantage of that. I'm saying, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys gained some knowledge, some education from it. Hopefully I see you guys on the next live stream on the actual Zoom call. All right, family, take care. Let's get it.